Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 9. We will presentation our material. The title is Adapting and Adapting Material and Pembelajaran Mendalam or Deep Learning. Before we start to material, we will introduce our member. I'm Gifristi Kahananda as moderator and my partner Ferlizia Marsha as the first speaker. Okay, for the first material will be explained by Ferlizia. To Ferlizia Marsha, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I'm Ferlizia Marsha, NPM 15. Right now I'm explain the material. What is adapting materials? Adapting materials mean that we use resources such as textbooks or digital learning modules exactly as they are provided, with little or no change. This approach is often chosen because it saves time and effort and can be more cost effective. For example, if the Ministry of Education provides a standard textbook, teachers might choose to adoption it fully without change to keep consistency across schools. However, there are also some limitations if the materials does not fit the student's specific needs. Okay, next. What is adapting materials? In contrast, adapting materials refers to modifying the content to better fit the local context, student characteristic, or specific learning objectives. For example, a teacher might adaptation a story in the textbook by replacing cultural references with examples that are familiar to their own students. This process is more time consuming, but it helps make the materials more meaningful and engaged, promoting better students' understanding. Okay, next. Adapting versus adapting. Here we can compare adapting and adopting. Adapting materials tends to be faster and easier, with lower flexibility because the teacher used the resource as adapting materials take more time but offer much higher flexibility and relevance for the learners. Choosing between this approach depends on the available time, research, and degree to which existing materials meet the needs of the curriculum. Next, why adapt or adapting? Deciding whether to adaptation or adapting materials should be based on how will they meet the curriculum goals. Teacher also needs to consider students' diversity, including language skill, cultural backgrounds, and learning style. Well adapted or adapted materials help create more meaningful learning, improving students' motivation and engagement. Overall, it is about supporting the learning process in the most effective way. That's all explain material from me. Thanks to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Ferlizia Marsha. The next material will be explained by me. Okay, the next material is what is deep learning? Deep learning in the educational sense refers to learning that goes beyond simple memorization. It is meaningful, reflective, and long-lasting. encouraging students to truly understand concepts, not just repeat them. Deep learning promotes critical thinking and helps students apply their knowledge to new situations. It is a key goal of modern curriculum design. Science education should equip learners with transferable skill, not only isolated fact. Okay, next is deep learning strategies. Several strategies can support deep learning. Project-based learning, for instance, allows students to investigate complex problems over time. Problem-based learning encourages them to find solutions creatively. Case study link theory to practice. Reflective discussion helps students evaluate their own learning, while collaborative activities encourage them to share ideas and learn from each other. All of the strategies are aligned with deep learning goals in curriculum development. Okay, the last is conclusion. In curriculum development, adapting and adapting materials are critical strategies to meet diverse learner needs. Adapting materials involves using resources as they are, which saves time and ensures standardization, while adapting materials allow educators to modify resources for better culture relevance and learner engagement. Additionally, incorporating deep learning principles encourages meaningful, reflective, and transferable knowledge, moving students beyond surface level memorization. Combining these approaches support a curriculum that is flexible, relevant, and responsive to the challenges of modern education. Okay, that's all our presentation. Sorry for our mistake and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.